The rice farmers also face a problem of hailstorm because when generally it occurs around us, it would not cost that much of damage as it caused to the agricultural crop. During my study period, I have seen that the farmers face the problem of crop damage due to the hailstorm. I had an experimental plot where I had done my experiment related with rice crop, but together the problem of hailstorm was also administered. I know that the problem is natural, so human beings cannot change the nature, but at least we can compensate the farmers whenever hailstorm occurs.